Hey folks, in this test the Xiaomi new model called MIMO, and we are going to see is it really capable to do some work for us, or it is just another Chinese model that every day we see one of them are just coming to the market. As you see, it is open source and currently it's available on the Hugging Face for a download. And here model size is 311 billion parameters, and it has the multiple quantized versions that you can see. You can download to your local environment, then you can use them if you have the powerful device to run it. Here they listed down several benchmarks that I don't want to just walk through all of them because it's going to take the video time lots of the times. That's why it is better to read it with yourself. I know that you can read it and you can understand benchmarks are listed down there. Fun part is testing model in our, let's say, video prompts. As you see, the MIMO 2.5 base has 256k context lengths, and MIMO 2.5 has a million context length. And here they, by the way, it is using the spares architecture. Spares mixture of expert 310 billion total, only 15 billion active parameters, context length up to a million tokens, modalities text, image, video, audio, vision encoder is 729 million param. And audio encoder that is listed down here, and multi-token prediction that 329 million pairs, 3 layers. Okay, the interesting part here is the spares model. There is currently, I think, the most of the used one is dense. Famous frontier models are using the dense ones, but the spares one. If you want to know the difference, of course you can use them to ask what is the difference between spares and dense model. Okay, there are benchmarks down there. I don't want to see them. You can see them by yourself. Okay, you can grab for you the API key from the Xiaomi MIMO website, and here is the article that are shown also the benchmark results comparing with other frontier or famous models in the market. And as you see, it is listed down here. We can try it, access API. Also, we can get it from the Hugging Face. I'm gonna use the API one. Currently, in API, we have the token plan here in the com that you can see. The versions are listed down there. They have that yearly subscription, by the way, and they give the different bits to you. Of course, you can if it is really convenient for you. And I have created the account. I have $2.56. It was more, but I have used some prompts to see the capabilities of these models, how we can rely on this model. Can we, or I just wanted to test that. And let me open code. After the grabbing, as you see here, we have the API keys. We can just copy it, and then we need to come to open code, model connect provider, search for Xiaomi, and you need to connect the API key exactly to this one. You pass your API key and whole models be displayed to you. I'm not gonna do that because I have done that before, and I have multiple. Okay, I have 3 prompts there. I just provide them to the MIMO 2.5. Use the high reasoning there. Also in build mode, I have used only just, and then we can together the results. Okay, our famous prompt that you are a senior front-end engineer, build lightweight mini desktop environment that runs using only CSS, no frameworks like React or Vue. Requirements, we have bunch of requirements for Xiaomi new model. One is desktop UI, full screen desktop layout per taskbar at bottom, like Windows. A start menu button, simple version. Two Windows system, a draggable windowses, open, close, minimize windowses. Each Windows has content area, multiple windows can be opened, and also some built-in apps, Notes app, calculator, mini browser, file store, one HTML inline CSS and plus JS, clean readable. It is styling, bonus features, dark mode, right-click context menu, and output, as you know, full working HTML code, no explanation. Okay, it has generated the mini slash desktop HTML. Let's open it with browser, and I'm gonna use the Finder for that. And here in the desk projects, I have test Xiaomi, and here is the mini desktop. Okay, when we open the mini desktop, and this page is displayed here. As you see, we have the application right here, Notes, browser, and also we have the nice start button, left button. And when we press, and it's pop up the application menu and also the toggle for dark and light mode. We can test, yeah, it is working. Also, we have the dark light mode switch here that we can switch it easily. It's very convenient, to be honest. And also the time has been displayed right here. Let's with opening applications, Notes one. As you see, we can write down here that is out saved. I can minimize. I can see, you see, when I try to open, it is not working. Okay, let's open the calculator. I'm gonna test that is it working or not. Oh, okay, as you see, it is working. Great. And I can minimize also that. Let me try to open. As you see, I failed. Okay, that means if the application is selected, when I try to open it again, okay, you can do it in this way. As you see, drag and drop is working. Also, closing application functionality is working. Let me open the browser. Yes, we keep. Is that Google.com is working? Go. It is opening the Google. Okay, cool. It is minimizable. Also, I can just close that, which is cool. Okay, I can put it right here, and let's open the weather. As you see, we have the simple weather app, sunny San Francisco, and the weather information, blah blah. Of course, it is the fake data has been displayed here. Okay, it's nice output. Let's move on the real-time collaborative to-do app. Okay, we have some core requirements that users can create, edit, CRUD operations, to-do support, title, description, blah blah columns, multiple lists like projects, offline first architecture, fully online, offline, sync simulation, and different stuff. And it succeed, and it generated the index HTML file. By the way, before that, I haven't shown context to you guys, and it's also okay. As you see, for this chat, we have used the 0.08 cent, and we had million context limit, and we have used approximately 25k tokens. Usage 2% of the text limit, and output token 136 1 224k read tokens. Yeah, I've used 0.08. Okay, let's move this one, and we can check also the context. We have used approximately 24k usage of context, 120 91 input tokens, 205 output tokens, reasoning token 70, and cache token 23k 424, and total cost is 0.06. Let's open to see is it working or not. Index HTML. Let me open that. Okay, nice. I can toggle on, off, online, offline, which is great. I can search for task. I can create a new task. Let's say medium one. Okay, inbox, save task. As you see, it is here. I can also make it done. As you see, task updated, behavior also implemented, updated. here, which is great. We can see the version history, which is good, that the task, and also we can undo, which is good. Active and completed. Let me complete the task. Active completed. As you see, it is right here. And also I can create a task right here and put it to the work. As you see, it is here. All tasks are displaying right here. Inbox is here and work list is here. Even I can search for the task. Let's say FSDF. As you see, it is filtering down, which is great. At least it used our list. And also I can create even the list name test. Oh, great. Another one. Test 2. It's cool. Let's see, is it saving on the local environment? Oh, great. It is saving the whole result to the local storage. That's fantastic. Okay, other one. It's a game, by the way. It couldn't finish whole prompt just in one try. I said that how I can have tested game, and game was okay. It had I, but I couldn't start that. And after that, it's just fixed the game. And we have used the 27k 661 total tokens, 3% of usage for approximately 5k input, and total cost was 0.09. It's cheap. And let's see the result. It's the Dodge Blocks game. Let's play. Okay, I can move, and also it has noise sound, as you hear probably. Okay, let's play. Great. I think I am playing that good. Oh my god, it is getting down fast. I think I am playing very good. It's quite okay. I have this score 565. Okay, I can play it again, but I will not play. I can resume and pause, which is great. I like the result. Okay, maybe in the first try it couldn't build whole game. Okay, it had some bugs, but overall I have positive opinions about the Xiaomi new model. It has very low price, by the way, when I compare it with the Frontier model like GPT and Claude models. Of course, it is not capable. It doesn't have the same performance with the Frontier models, but at least it has some capabilities to do some work. I hope you are gonna like this video, because I am trying to always record the videos that is related to the LLMs, and I hope you're gonna subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. If you have any suggestion for me, you comments. I'm gonna read them all. Thank you so much for watching.